striking, of course, we can punch with the hand, we can hit with the palm, we can hit with the elbow, and that's just upper, well, that's not all of upper side, that's most of it.
Yes.
I mean, I can strike with the shoulder and the head. We're going to kind of concentrate on the elbow. So he's going to punch, and I'm going to cover, hock, and from a short distance, step in. He'll punch, and of course in the street this could be here. But the thing you want to get, and they're going to figure out real quick, use the gear, because that sucks. That's going to suck. If your partner gets how to do this, it's going to suck if you put your hand in front of it, your arm in front of it. Okay? You would defend against it another way. So cover the line, lan sao, and then it's just a step in. Okay? And just practice seeing if you can put something in it. It's short range, it's super short range. I'm here. It's not like I get to wind up. I can't afford it. I'm here, I just gotta go.
How do you do it? Lead from the right.
If I were in the right lead and he punched, then here. If he punched that hand, it's all the same. Okay? I'm not worried about a technique. I'm not worried about, oh, this goes this way and blah, 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 blah. I am worried about you clearing the path and just seeing if you can quickly generate a good solid elbow with your lan sao. That's all I'm worried about. Okay? It's not going to be, this is a piercing elbow. I want you to go lan sao and elbow. And by that I mean, okay, I'm at 90 degrees, so I'm guarding the line. As opposed to setting up a pierce. All right? I want to set up a pierce, so I want this 90 degrees. Go for it, back and forth. Or 3 and 3, or 5 and 5, or whatever floats your boat. Now you're kind of knocking him at an arch, and that, I understand that, because you're arcing this, so he's going that way. I'm sending him straight, push back. All right, so now tighten it up. So instead of using your whole body, right, use your whole body always, but instead of driving in, just be there. Be here and drive it. Be where you can touch him, turn and drive in.
So this is right.
Hammer fist. You're right there. Part of it is you're over-energizing. All right? So in Wing Chun, my elbow is here, my elbow is here. My elbow is there. My elbows pretty much stay in this space. You're over-energizing, and so yeah, you're wanting to really twist and come back in some way because this is nothing.
Right.
Right? But I'm here. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The only reason I'm going over there is because she offers that pad. But I could do this all right here. Okay, let's change it up a little bit. This may feel a little bit better considering the way y'all are thinking about it. So I'm going to go uppercut, hammer fist, hammer fist. So I'm using the same arm twice. This is more kind of a haka fist thing. 1, 2, 3. Pull and kick. Just so you can keep your legs active, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be 1, 2, 3. And then I could either exchange hands or, it all depends on what he does. 2, 3.
I'm not standing. I'll be backing up.
Okay. Uppercut. Boom.